The second app I'm going to be reviewing this week is free, and it's for those people who like to browse the internet wisely. It's called Firefox. It is an internet browser for Android and for many platforms. But the Android one is cool because it's a unique way to browse on your device here. Let's pull it up. There we go. And here we go. We'll open it up. Firefox is loading. And this is designed for those HD devices. A little bigger. Fits the screen well. And this is what makes it interesting. To navigate, to do some navigation, you kind of... Oh, look at that. The menuing is on the bottom, the right and left. And that's one thing that I don't like about the Chrome browser on here, is on the Chrome browser, you have tabs along the top section here that take up most of your space. Yeah. So let's just go to some of these generic bookmarks that they have in here.
Well, and the great thing about this menuing on the right and left side is when you're holding these honeycomb tablets, they're in landscape mode. And right. So your thumbs are right there. And so all you have to do is just swipe left or swipe right. And it'll open up the menu and you can just pick it with your thumb. Whereas on the Chrome browser, it's all in the top and you have to remove a hand. And it doesn't sound like it's that big of a deal. But this is kind of a heavy device to hold landscape just in one hand and just let it hang there all the weight. I mean, you really start to feel it. So just being able to swipe and click a favorite or something like that, it really makes a big difference in as far as usability goes.
Yeah, so it's going a little slow right now for some reason. It's not really. Can you go? Go to
Yahoo. Maybe it's Yahoo.
Maybe. Well,
I do have the SciTech Google News. It's an oldie but a goodie.
Google News? Yeah, it's not working right now. That's weird.
I wonder if it's the Wi-Fi or something.
It probably is. It's probably Brad.
Hey, way to go, Brad. Oh, he's on Google Earth.
Downloading the whole Earth.
Yeah, that wouldn't.
One thing that I found was interesting with this. So you have your bookmarks here. You have your history. You also have a desktop. So it can sync with your computer and your devices. So like you add your computer and it will sync everything over. Not sure. Does it? Do you know what exactly it syncs over?
It'll sync over bookmarks and history.
Okay. So it doesn't sync tabs that are open though, does it?
No. I think it also does password management too.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
But the interface is really nice.
Yeah, that's what is so cool about this. And then you just click down there for a new tab. So you just go to the left, add more new tabs.
Try turning off the Wi-Fi. On the far right bottom, you click on the thing down there.
Boom.
And then click it again, and then hit Wi-Fi.
Whoops. Oh, nope. Not good. Back.
Where'd you go?
Take me back. Okay. Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so hit the Wi-Fi one. So you're getting a little tech tip here too, I guess. Mm-hmm. Turn off Wi-Fi. And we have Verizon service, so...
This does this on the Google TV also.
You totally turned it back on. But, yeah, you're right. This looks exactly like the Google TV interface.
And, yeah.
Fans of ours know we make a Google TV show, so we're pretty familiar with that. As soon as I brought up the settings menu, I noticed that right away. I'm like, this is Google TV. They just essentially built on top of it. But if you think about it, it kind of makes sense. Because, this larger screen is kind of that halfway UI between what they were doing on Android and what they were doing on Google TV.
Mm-hmm. So
let's pull it up here. I hope this loads now.
Yeah, I mean it is a good browser. I swear.
Did you try refresh?
I did.
What the hey?
There's a bunch of tabs open. Maybe if we close some of these.
Well, I feel bad about that. I mean, the Firefox, it worked for me earlier today. I was using it instead of Chrome.
Yeah, and you can bookmark things over here. Go back and forth. Maybe the settings are messed up. I don't know. You can change the pages that you want. Languages, auto-detect, start page, syncing, all sorts of different cool things. Text zooming. You can turn images off.
And this will detect for some pages the mobile thing. It'll kick them into a mobile version automatically.
Okay.
And I believe there's a setting on there that you can turn that off. But
You can manage plugins or add-ons here, downloads. So they have this whole management thing. It's kind of neat to see how that works.
And if you heard that the Firefox download was huge, of course that was the alpha release that they had. And before they put it on the market, they certainly did a lot of optimization because it's much smaller.
Now this is interesting. Like in the HDMI out that we're showing you right now, it cuts off this bottom section here. So there's the whole menuing section that's normally on the like rim of the phone or the bezel of the phone.
Yeah.
And it's
the
interesting that they don't show it. It's kind of cool. Fun stuff.
It's the honeycomb default bar on the bottom, right? That's what you're talking about?
Yes.
I feel kind of bad. I wish the internet was working on there.
I know.
I don't know what the heck the issue is.
Hopefully it...
But yeah, definitely download Firefox yourself and check it out if you have a tablet because it's much better than the Chrome browser.
Yeah.
And it's free.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was a little slower when I was using it on my phone as far as load times.
You might get that, but my issue though is the user interface. I mean, it lags a little bit in loading JavaScript and stuff like that, as far as comparing it to Chrome. But again, you just have to consider convenience.